are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I install this gorgeous wig that I received from West Kids Hair. Now this is their 13x4 brown highlight lace front wig. On the inside, it does have the combs on the inside and also an elastic band on the nape area of your unit. I did get this wig in a size medium cap. The wig density is a 180 density, so it is really full and thick, you guys. I'm also really loving the two blonde streaks that this wig has in the front there, as you guys can see. Now this wig does come pretty much semi pre-plucked for you. I don't know why, you guys, but my camera had messed up the audio for like the first quarter of this video, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover right now. But again, your unit does come pre-plucked for you. It does not come with the knots bleach, so you would have to go in and either add some lace tint, foundation, or you can just bleach your knots yourself. But I prefer to add just lace tint or foundation. I did use my Ebon lace tint to tint the lace just to lighten it a little bit. I use the shade Natural Beige, but I feel like even this shade is a little too light for me, so I would have to go back and get another one in like a darker shade because I feel like this one is a little too light. But after that, I just went ahead and cut off the lace. And as I was cutting off the lace, I did notice that my lace was actually a little too small for my head, so I did get a medium cap size, which is usually my regular cap size. So usually I'm like a 22 circumference in cap size, which is like a size medium. A size small is like a 21, a size large is usually a 23. I'm usually a size 22, which is a medium cap size. But I don't know why, it's just on this unit the medium was not fitting right. Now I'm using the elastic band that they sent me with my wig, and I'm just wrapping the front of my hair, that way my lace is completely melted. And I'm just gonna go ahead and style this wig. So I'm taking my hot comb and just pressing out the front. You want it to be as flat as possible. Hot comb is definitely needed for these type of wigs. And then I'm just gonna section off the hair and we're just gonna straighten it. Initially, I did want to curl this hair up, but I feel like my last few wigs that I did install, I did curl them up, so I wanted to like switch it up today, so I just went ahead and straightened the hair. But I feel like this wig would definitely look so bomb if it was curled up. After straightening out the hair, we're definitely gonna have to add baby hairs again. My unit is too small for my head, so the only way I can hide the fact that the ear tabs are not fitting right based on my unit being a little too small is we're just gonna have to add a lot of baby hairs. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just like sectioning out my baby hairs and then we're gonna just lay them down.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my
guys, so this is the wig now that I'm finished with styling it. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am so here for this. It looks so pretty. The color is just everything. I'm loving the blonde, the brown. It's a vibe right now. It's definitely given. So the only thing that I would suggest with this unit is that if you know that your head is slightly a little bigger than the regular cap size, definitely size up, because I usually get a size medium in my wig, which is like usually between a 22 to like, not really a 23, but like a 22 circumference, and that's usually like my wig size. So the fact that I ordered this exact same wig in that same measurement and it was still a little too small. So if your regular cap size is a size medium, I would definitely suggest getting a size large. But yeah, that's about it with the wig. No other complaints besides my lace being a little too small. And one of the main reasons why I did have to even add the baby hair was because my lace was a little too small. So, you know, I wanted to mask the little line that was in the front there. But it actually turned out really well. So this is what it looks like now after adding the baby hairs, which I feel like it turned out pretty well afterwards, minus the lace being a little too small. Like with all the baby hairs added, you cannot tell that my lace was ever too small for me. So I'm actually liking that. Overall, you guys, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely given what it's supposed to be given. I feel like this would look really good curled up as well. So far, I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this hair. It has no smell to it. It did have to bleach, you know, the blonde streaks in the front, but it does not smell of bleach or anything like that. So I'm really impressed with this unit. Overall, if I was to rate this hair out of 10, I would definitely give it a 10. Also, I did get this wig in a 22-inch, I believe. It is shorter length and it's also full all the way down to the end. So this is what the ends of the hair is looking like, and the hair is full throughout the entire wig. Really like that. Yeah, honestly, you guys, I have no complaints with this hair. It's absolutely beautiful. The color is amazing. Yeah, definitely recommend this wig. Highly recommend this wig. It's doing all the details on where you can purchase this exact same wig will be listed in the description box below. If I do have a discount code for you guys, that will be listed down below as well. So just pretty much check the description box for all the info on this wig, discount code, everything. We're gonna finish this video off right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did learn something new, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share this video with your friends, family, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.